We're still way below our average high, but I tell you what, 50 degrees combined with sunshine is nothing to scoff at when you consider what it's been like the last couple of days, because we've got sunshine, we've got the rest of the afternoon to warm up, and we're going to continue that warm up through the rest of the week. So some good news there. We have a southwesterly wind that is slowly getting established. It's at 9 miles per hour, calm into our southeastern counties. That wind is going to be a key driver in what happens over the next couple of days, because it's only going to get stronger, even gusty at times, and propel us into some serious warmth, especially tomorrow and into Friday. So at the moment, we've still got some lingering upper 40s out in Pikeville, 49, and it's the same as you head west out towards E-Town. But the Max Track Live shows the only thing even remotely close precipitation-wise is way out to the northeast. There's rain and snow mix across New England states, up into Lake Erie, around Cleveland, and as you head down south, departing soggy weather. They had severe weather and even some tornadoes in parts of Florida yesterday. Some pretty impressive video on social media there. And as you go back to the west, there's this big, basically nothingness that's hanging out overhead, which means we got a ridge of high pressure in place, so we're in good shape. That high holds and gradually tracks off toward the east coast next couple of days. So as that wind continues to shift, we'll get that southwesterly wind cranking, and the warm-up will really get cranking starting tomorrow. This is a look at wind gusts, though, for your Thursday. There's a drawback to it. The wind's going to be awfully gusty, anywhere from 30 to maybe 35, pushing 40-mile-per-hour gusts. So that'll be an issue, not only just to the overall enjoyment of the day, but also we've got very dry air in place, and we've got a gusty wind combo. So there's fire weather watch out for Thursday. Essentially a red flag warning for the danger of burning, outdoor burning. You don't want to do it with that high wind and low humidity combo. It's easy for wildfires to get rolling in this kind of weather. Into the weekend, we'll take care of that with shower and storm chances, but it'll be dry, gusty, and very warm. I mean, look at the high. By Friday, we could be pushing 80 degrees. Get ready. Now, the future track doesn't show a lot today or tomorrow, the influence of that high holding, but eventually, as we continue that southwesterly to southerly wind, we'll start to up the moisture a little bit, and we will start to see some shower and storm chances going into the weekend. Probably not until Saturday evening, though. And it's a setup with just a big sprawling wave of low pressure back to the northwest, and possibly blizzard conditions, definitely winter storm for the upper Midwest running out into the Great Lakes. In the deep south, priming for the potential for severe weather Friday. Now, we're going to kind of split the goalposts, which actually isn't a bad place to be, because they could have heavy snow and even ice across parts of the Great Lakes. And I think we'll see the potential for some strong storms, maybe some severe storms getting into Saturday night, and then wraparound rain, potentially heavy rain. And then, yeah, it's that time of the year it can still happen. Look, trying to change it over to a little bit in the way of a hint of winter weather. This is all the way out, though, till Monday, so we got a lot of time to tweak that forecast. Just know we've got an active weekend ahead. Your 8-day storm tracker forecast running out of time here. Big time warm up, 3 days to take advantage of before wet and stormy weather hits. And yeah, it'll be a hit, but it'll be a brief hit. Pretty characteristic for this time of the year. A cool shot, maybe a day or two, and then hopefully we'll rebound, warm it up to you toward the middle of next week.